everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this slushy machine, but let's go get right into this. So this is by the brand CHIVALZ. I think that's how you pronounce it. And this is everything that comes in here. You have a cleaner to clean out the machine. Comes with a user manual. This is like a quick start guide. And then it also does come with like a recipe book that'll teach you how to make different things. Let me go ahead and plug it in and I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, so before starting it up, you do wanna make sure that it's in an upright position for at least 2 hours, which it has been. Okay, so to open it up, you're going to press this lever up and it's going to allow you to move all the parts. And as you can see, everything can be taken off to clean along with like this. So everything comes off and then you can reseal everything as well. So let me go ahead and rinse all this stuff off real quick. So you can just slide this right back. Then you're going to close it. And you always want to make sure that this is in an upward position before starting, because when you do this, it's going to release the valve that's going to allow the slushy to come out. I wanted to add that this is also machine washable, which is really great. So you're going to hold this down for 3 seconds to turn it on. So this also does have a self-clean mode right there. So you can see you can go to different modes right here. So I'm gonna do a slushy today. And then you can go up and down on the temperature by pressing this over here. So I'm gonna do what's recommended. And today I'm going to be doing some slushy. And it does say it takes 15 to 30 minutes to actually completely do it. So. And it has a max line that you can fill it to up there. Which is 54 ounces is the max. So you can see I filled it all the way up to the max line, which is 54 ounces. Clean up this. And now we are going to wait for like 30 minutes to see how it does. Okay, so as you can see, it is pretty slushy and it's reached the temperature to 30 degrees. So you'll actually see that count down. And when it hits the temperature, you know that it's ready. Want to try it out?
Yeah. That's awesome.
It tastes like a real slushy. What do you rate it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Kids! Try it. What do you think? It's good? Tell everybody what you think.
I like it.
You have to come in here.
I like it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to put some more in here. Mix some more up. So as you can see, it works great. My kids love it. I give it a 10 out of 10. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.